Hi, my name is Sheree Surdam, and I'm the Wellness Assistant Manager here at Mountainside Treatment Center, and I oversee our horticultural therapy program. Horticultural therapy is essentially utilizing the garden and gardening to promote and support healing of the mind and the body. We have our residential clients as well as our extended care clients spend the time in the garden from the beginning to the end. So planting, weeding and maintaining, and then harvesting whatever fruits and vegetables or herbs that we've grown. Sometimes the clients that come out into the garden for the first time are a little out of their comfort zone. They've never maybe spent a lot of time outdoors before in the natural world. But once they get to see the growth in the garden from things that they planted from a seed to now they have potatoes or they have cucumbers or something that they can actually look at, tangible things, they get so excited. They have such a sense of accomplishment and they're proud of it. They feel really rewarded by it. So horticultural therapy has limitless benefits, some of which are reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety, reducing overall stress on the body and the mind, increasing feelings of self-worth and value, and giving people a sense of purpose and stewardship over the natural world. I truly believe in the transformative power of nature and of gardening specifically. And I think that it's really valuable for our clients to participate in the garden while they're here in the horticultural therapy program, and to also continue to spend time in the natural world once they've discharged from treatment. And the easiest way to do that is for them to create a small garden of their own. It doesn't have to be anything huge, just something simple, and gardening is easy, it's accessible to everyone. You just start with right plant, right place. That's a rule of thumb in gardening. And you can decide to grow fruit or vegetables or an herb garden. Herb garden's a great start. You can plant an array of herbs into a small pot and just put it right on your front step if you haven't got any room and can't make that huge commitment. Spending time in the garden should never feel like work or a chore. Being in the garden is an opportunity to relax and unwind, and what you're doing in the garden is you're creating and you're nurturing, and so everything you do in the garden is an act of love.